morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So yesterday we had started off with Pythagoras theorem, right? Today we'll be doing Pythagoras theorem's proof. So can anybody tell me what was Pythagoras theorem? Yesterday we had done a bit of introduction regarding Pythagoras theorem. What kind of triangle is it applied? Yes. What kind of triangle is it applied? Pythagoras theorem? Right angle, exactly. Right angle A, B, C. Clear? So by Pythagoras theorem, what do we know? That AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square. Yes or no? Hypotenuse square will be equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Clear? This is what you have known all this while. But the proof is also necessary. Clear? So now before starting the proof, first of all, what you have to do is drop an altitude from point B to point D. Clear? Altitude needs to be dropped from point B to point D. Clear? So first of all, what you have to do out here is consider this triangle and this entire triangle. Clear? Triangle ABD and ABC triangle needs to be considered. Clear? So how can you prove these two triangles are similar to each other? One, this is 90 degree, right? Angle ADB is equals to angle ABC. Do you all agree it's 90 degree? And one more criteria I required. Angle A, can I say it's common to both the triangles? Yes or no? So can I say that these two triangles are similar to each other by the criteria by AA, angle criteria? Yes or no, sir? Yes or no? Chalo then. If this is common to each other, can we write this? AD by AB is equals to AB by AC. AD by AB equals to AB by AC. Can I write corresponding sides of similar triangle? Yes or no? Once we cross multiply, we will be getting AB square is equals to AD square into AC square. This is equation 1. Is it clear? Yes or no? Then again we'll be considering this triangle and the entire triangle. Can again we prove that these two are similar triangles? This one and the entire one. This angle is common and this angle is 90 degree. Clear? Yes or no, sir? Again, angle similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar to each other. Once we call it similar to each other, can we say that BC CD by BC will be equals to BC by AC? Yes or no? This by this equals to this by this. Yes or no? Then again we cross multiply to get the second equation. Is it clear? So once we get this, we will add this equation 1 and 2. What will we get? AB square plus BC square is equals to AD into AC plus CD into AC. Yes or no? We'll have AB square plus BC square. Can we take AC common from both of these? We are left with AD plus CD. Yes or no? What is AD plus CD? Can anybody tell me? You don't require a lot of brain to say this. What is AD plus CD? Yes, sir. What is it? AC, no? AC into AC will become AC square. Have we reached to the conclusion? Yes or no? Was it too difficult? If not, then I would expect you to copy this, give the topic as a proof for Pythagoras theorem, and get on the process of copying it. Make sure each and every numerical is copied properly. Sorry, each and every line is copied properly. I hope everybody has understood this numerical properly. Yes or no? And people who have just now joined in, you are expected to join the class on time. Okay, and maintain the attendance of the class same throughout. Is it clear? Now I hope this proof is clear to everyone. I'll pause the video for you to copy it down exactly. Figures should be drawn with help of pencil. Please proceed with copying it. I am pausing the video. Started. Move on. So I believe students have completed copying the Pythagoras theorem proof, as well as they have understood it properly, that what the proof actually says. Now, question number 1 was given as a homework yesterday, right? Yes or no? We had already proved that the first one was a right angle triangle. Reason being, 7 square was 49. Just a moment. 7 square was 49. 24 square is how much? 576. 25 square is 625. So we see that 7 square plus 24 square gives us 625. So this condition is being satisfied. So we'll say that this is forming a right angle triangle, and the hypotenuse is how much? 25 centimeter. Is it clear? The first numerical, is it clear to everyone? Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now I would expect you to solve third, second and fourth one right now, and make sure you write things as written out here. You don't have to write squaring, just write it like this, and end of the line you'll write is this way, and therefore you'll say that therefore Pythagoras theorem is being satisfied, hence it is a right angle triangle, and just write hypotenuse length is equals to 25 meter. You don't have to write the entire thing. Okay. Similarly, I would expect you to do second, third and fourth right away. Write in the chat box that which of these are forming a right angle triangle. Yes. Yes, Orko Prabhu Mohanto. Orko Prabhu, it's been 2 years. You haven't changed your name. Amitabha Mohanto is your father's name, no? To make one more Gmail ID, no, Amita.
Yes, I have, but another phone I have the email ID.
Which among these do you think is forming right angle triangle? Is the second one forming right angle triangle? No.
1 and 4 is forming right angle triangle.
Only second one, it will become 9 plus 36, 45, which is not equals to 64. So not forming right angle triangle. Third one, 50, 2500, 6400 and 10,000. These are not equal. So not forming right angle triangle. This will form right angle triangle, right? 169 equals to 25 plus 144. Is it clear? Only the fourth one will form a right angle triangle with hypotenuse length as how much? With the length of hypotenuse is 13. Are these four numericals absolutely clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now can we move on to the second numerical for today? Now how many want to try this numerical? PQR is a right angle triangle at P and M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Is this numerical clear? Diagram. I'd like to change the ink because this ink is looking not orange. Hurry up, suggest me. Yellow, no. Dark blue. Yes. This is right angle triangle. Clear? You have to show that PM square is equals to QM into MR. Clear? How will you show that? Yes, we'll be using same criteria for the proof as we have used for that Pythagoras theorem proof. Clear? First we'll consider this triangle, then we'll consider this triangle. We'll write the formula for this triangle, and then again we'll write the formula for this triangle. Clear? For this triangle, can anybody tell me what is the formula? PQ square will be equals to PM square plus QM square. Is there a problem in this one? Yes or no? So can we make PM as a subject out here? This will go out there. We'll name this as equation 1. Clear? Now can anybody tell me what will be equation 2 from this triangle? PR square will be equals to, very good. यहाँ पे what will we make the subject? What will we make the subject? PM again?
Yes, sir.
Bus, this will go out there, this will become equation second. Then again can we add this both equation? Just a moment. You can add up both the equations. We'll be getting 2PM square is equals to PQ square plus PM square and QM square plus MR square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Bus, now we have done, so nothing else. 2PM square will become as it is, and QR obviously can be written as, look at it very carefully, QR square can be written as PQ square plus PR square. Yes or no? This square, look at this triangle, this entire triangle. This square plus this square will be equals to hypotenuse square. Yes or no? Yes or no? So this is replaced by QR square. Clear? And this one remains as it is. We expand this. Now is the interesting thing. This will be adding MR square. Adding and subtracting MR square. Clear? This will become QM square and this will become MR. Clear? And divided by 2 will go out here. We'll be left with PM square is equals to QM square plus MR square. Is this numerical clear to everyone? Please copy the question properly. Please copy the diagram first and then proceed with the solution. I'm pausing the video for you to copy it down. Please copy the figure properly. Figure is everything. Again and again I'm telling you. I hope it's clear. I hope question number 2's copying part is done by everyone. Now, please look at question number 3 now. I received the answers for this one as 23, 27. What else answers have I got? Let's see. 28, 40, 28, 40. How do people reach 40? Agnik 30. Now we'll have to wait for this. Question number 3, look very carefully. In the figure ABD, this is a triangle, and they've already told that this is perpendicular as this is at 90 degree. Clear? You have to show that AB square. This is a very similar kind of numerical of the previous one. AB square you have to prove that is equals to BC square plus BD square. Into BD. Clear? This three numericals at 3 parts. If you are able to do one, rest of the 2 will be very similar to each other. So question number 3 plus Google form that will be uploaded today will be done for your homework today. Is it clear? Now I'll end the recording.